it's over, and the most valuable player is Magic Johnson. He starts at center, plays forward and guard, and leads the Los Angeles Lakers to a world championship over Philadelphia without Kareem Abdul.
Bobby Jones is going to put the ball on the play. And the pass hits the top of the backboard, and it's over. They won 3 in a row. They came from 3-1 down, and they have won the series. It's all over.
Lakers start the countdown. 4, 3, 2, 1. The Lakers are the world champions.
I don't look at the championship as being something that Philadelphia lost. You know, Philadelphia didn't have the championship in the first place. I mean, you can't lose something unless you have it.
There's this thing that happens sometimes at tip-off. That look of nothing to lose. Right then, I say to myself, oh, baby, Goliath better be ready to tangle, because Davis got a 7'5" wingspan, locks it down on D, and rolls with 18,000 loyal fans. Yeah, I like that.
At forward, from Akron, Ohio, number 6, LeBron James. At forward, from Dallas, Texas, number 1, Chris Bosh. And at guard, from Robbins, Illinois, number 3, Dwayne Wade. Your Miami Heat.